Hi, welcome to Photon Academy. In this session, let us see some problems associated with the units and dimensions. Let us see one by one. Here, I discuss the first problem is centrifugal force, centrifugal force F is expressed as m to the power of m to the power of a, v to the power of b, and r to the power of c. Then find out values of a, b, and c. This is the first. I repeat once again. Centrifugal force F is expressed as m to the power of a, v to the power of b, r to the power of c. Then find out values of a, b, and c. This is the question. Here, let us see the solution of it. Observe, given that force is m to the power of a, v to the power of b, r to the power of c. Clear? Where m is the mass, v is the velocity, r is the radial distance. So, force left hand side dimension formula m l t minus 2, which is equal to mass m to the power of a into velocity. Dimension formula is l t minus 1 whole to the power of b, and radial distance is l whole to the power of c. If I simplify it, m to the power of a into l to the power of b, l to the power of c, then l to the power of b plus c, b plus c, into t to the power of minus b, t to the power of minus b. This is on the right hand side. If you equate this to the left hand side, m, l, t minus 2. So on both sides, if you equate the powers of similar quantities, mass, power, and air mass power, left hand side and right hand side. So if I say A is equal to 1. Similarly, L left hand side, L right hand side, both powers, if I equate, B plus C is equal to 1, comma. Similarly, t to the power of minus 2, t to the power of minus b. So minus b is equal to minus 2, Here minus minus cancels. B is equal to 2. Here. Now, if I substitute back the B here in this equation, so it becomes, that is 2 plus C is equal to 1. C is equal to 1 minus 2 minus. Hence, values of A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to minus 1. These are the solution. Clear? Now, if I substitute in the basic equation, this is the basic equation given to us. If I substitute back, then this becomes F is equal to M to the power of 1 in place of A, 1, B to the power of B. B is, that is equal to 2, and R to the power of minus 1. So, F is equal to M B square. This is the final centrifugal force. We have arrived at the centrifugal force. Clear? Now, let us see the next question. Clear? The second question here I would like to take up is the distance covered by a particle in the time t, is given as S is equal to A plus BT plus C T square plus D T cube. Then find values of A, B, C, and D. He is asking the values of the A, B, C. Observe, in this problem, distance covered is given by the particle in the form of an expression. And he has told that it is in the time t period. Clear? Now, to find out the values of A, B, C, and D, let us follow the principle of homogeneity. What is the principle of homogeneity? Says that whatever the dimensions of the right hand side expressions, each term, again I am putting each term, whatever the dimensions on the right hand side each term has, it should also possess the same dimension on the left hand side also. That means the complete dimension formula on the left hand side and the dimension formula of each term separately on the right hand side should be the same. Then only equation holds good. This is known as principle of homogeneity. Clear? Let us solve this question. Clear? Now, what is the equation given? S is equal to A plus BT plus ct square plus d t cube. Clear? That means each term in this expression should have the same dimension. Left hand side, s, I must equate to the first term here, a. So a is an unknown, we want to find out. Left hand side is distance, so L, so a is equal to L. Clear? A is equal to the L, the dimension formula. That means clearly if I want to put up that m to the power of 0, L, t to the power of 0. This is for the A. Clear? Similarly, the second one, PT must be equal to S. Each term should be equal to the left hand side. So B, T is what? Time T. And S is what? L. So B is equal to L by T. This T comes over here. So hence B is equal to LT minus 1. Is LT minus 1. Clearly, if I want to express m to the power of 0, LT minus 1. Okay? That is B is LT minus 1. Similarly, that is the third term in the right hand side, CT square is equal to S. So C, capital T square, S is L, so C is equal to L T minus 2. So clearly m to the power of 0, L T minus 2. And fourth term is dt cube is equal to S. So d into t cube is equal to L, hence d is equal to LT minus 3, which is equal to m to the power of 0, LT minus 3. Hence, the dimensional formula of A, B, C, D are derived from the principle of homogeneity. Is it clear? Oh, I think you have understood this. Clear? Okay. Let us see the third question in this session. That is integration of dx divided by under root of 2ax under root of 2ax minus x square minus x square is equal to a to the power of n sine inverse into bracket x by a minus 1. X by a minus 1. What is the value of n is asking what is the value of n. Okay. Now the clarity, a mathematical expression is given. The mathematical expression, left hand side is integration of dx by under root of 2ax minus x square is equal to right hand side expression is a to the power of n sine inverse within the bracket x by a minus 1. and clearly mention where A and X are the distances. Are distances. Clearly mentioned that where A and X are the distance. Clear? Now, observe, to solve this question, let us make use of the fundamental principle that the left hand side dimensions must be equal to the right hand side. Okay, homogeneity. Let us see the first left hand side. Okay, what is the left hand side? Left hand side is integration dx by under root of 2ax minus x square. So for this dx, I simplify dx, that is the L, is a small elemental distance, L distance, and under root of 2, A is also distance, and X is also distance, minus, that is X into X, that is in place of X, L square. So on simplification, if I simplify without integration, so 2L square minus L square, 2L square minus L square, which is equal to L by under root L square, L by L, which is 1. So left hand side, the expression becomes 1 on simplification. Clear? Okay. Let us see the right hand side. What is the expression on the RHS side? Yes, given right hand side. Yes, given is a to the power of n sine inverse, that is x by a minus 1. So if I simplify, a is the distance, L to the power of n, sine inverse, L by L, x is L, a is L, minus 1. So this is L to the power of n. This is not having any kind of dimension formula. Clear? So the left hand side becomes is equal to L to the power of n. So what you got in the right hand side? Right hand side you got, that is the L to the power of n. Left hand side you got, it is 1. Can I write 1 like this? L to the power of 0, that is 1. If I equate it to the left hand side, L to the power of n, same powers, that the bases are same, powers can be equated. So n is equal to 0. Equation n becomes equal to the 0. Have the clarity that this expression, sine inverses and mathematical quantities like 5 by 2, etc., they do not possess any kind of the dimensions in this case. Hence, we have deleted this, omitted this. Clear? So, that was the solution for the above problem. Let us see a fourth problem in this case, that is here. Convert the power of 100 watts into the CGS system, or simply CGS units. Yeah, that was the question. He is asking us to convert these 100 watts of power into the CGS system. Yeah. Now observe, what is power? Power is simply defined as work by time. Work by time. Basic definition. What is work? Work is simply the unit of work is what? Joule. And time is second. So I can say power is having the joule per second. And this joule per second can also be called as the watt. So that means 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. Clear? That was a simple clarification here. 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. So I write clearly 1 watt, capital W, is equal to 1 joule per second. Have the clarity in this case. 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. Okay. Now, he told that we have to convert the 100 watts, 100 watts in the CGS system. So 100 watts means 100 joules per second. And you know, in CGS system, okay, work unit is earth. In the earlier class, we have seen work unit is earth. Now, if I want to convert joule into the earth, you have a simple conceptual conversion. 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power of 7 earths. 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power of 7 earths. So I substitute here the same thing. 100 into 1 joule is how much? 10 to the power of 7 earths per second. So now 10 square, 10 to the power of 10, 10 to the power of 9 earths per second. This is our answer. Clear? This is our answer. 100 watts after conversion, it became equal to the 10 to the power of 9 erg per second. Erg per second is a CGS unit. Now the clarity, this is CGS unit. Okay. Now, let us see the another problem, that is here convert surface tension of water, 72 dynes per centimeter into SI system. This was the question. Clear? Now, he is asking us to convert 72 dynes of per centimeter into the SI system. Okay. Now, observe carefully. Here, we have a fundamental conversion. 1 Newton is 10 to the power of 5 dynes. Okay. This is a CGS system he has quoted us. We want to convert into the SI system. So 1 Newton is 10 to the power of dyne. This is, we know basically. The previous classes we have seen. So what is 1 dyne? 1 dyne is, if it goes down, 10 to the power of minus 5 newtons. Clear? And you know that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. So substitute over here in this. Then it becomes here 72 times per centimeter becomes 72 into 1 dyne is how many newtons? 10 to the power of minus 5, and 1 centimeter is 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Simplify. So 72 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton per meter. So 72 by 1000, it becomes 0.072 Newton per meter. So this is the SI system. This is SI system. Clear? So these are some sample problems we have seen. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please subscribe it. Thank you.